In interview, you might have get some question like group of students are there and their respective marks and percentage available. You want to find out the rank of each student. Then this use case for you. Let's start. Welcome back to Web24. To achieve this task, we can use a function called rank. Select the first cell and type equal to rank and then bracket start. Select the first data, then put comma, then drag all the data you have, then press F4 bracket and enter. Here you go. Now just finish all the ranks available. I can see Web24 is rank 2. Awesome. That's all guys for today. Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye bye.